Water. We have pipe cleaners, a stirrer. This thing, we've got the container. Then we put water into the sulfate and stir. Stir. Does what it says on the tin. The stirrer stirs. Who would have thought? Harder. One. Quick. From the word make a sentence.
An elephant is eating a starfruit berry.
Go!
An elephant cannot eat a snake because a snake cannot is a con. An elephant cannot eat a snake.
Okay, go again.
The mango likes to eat tomato. I don't like
Whoa! Okay? You choose the group because otherwise you just pick your friends, that's not fair. Yeah. It's up to you, okay? But obviously not a 2-hour story, please. Maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, in your group. 1 minute. 5 minutes, okay? Each of you to have a character. Okay, what is your character, okay? Are you a wolf? Are you a king? Are you a unicorn, okay? You can decide, right? Okay, so, everybody understand? Yes? Say yes? Yes! Let's go! Okay, Bert.
you help me? Yes. Can you tell me what will happen in the earth tomorrow? Everyone will die. No! Don't come in. Mark and James are fighting the guard.